We went there, Montro. Maganda dyan last September. September, Olivia. September is really... August, September is perfect. Bad neighbor. It's not the neighbor, it's the cat. It's the cat. I'm sure the neighbor is good. So, here is the full castle. I'm sure the neighbor of Sis Simply is good, just their cat is bad. Maganda yung castle. Lalo siguro lalo pag pinailawan yan tapos sa gabi. Pag pinailawan yan, ang ganda-ganda sa gabi. Perfect. Tapos may mga background siya sa gilid ng bato, na ilaw. The dog running in your garden. Before, I have a cat at home, but the problem is when we get holiday, no one take care, and my neighbor is too old also. What we used to do is, he left our neighbor give the key of her house, and we fed her cat, and then we do likewise. We leave the key of our home. Actually, our home has a key to each neighbor. We have two close neighbors. And we give our home key, so every time we take a holiday, they went to check our home. Pumunta kami din dyan sa castle. Sis Olivia, saan ka ba dito, Sis Olivia? Ang ganda niyan, di ba? Malapit lang ako dito, Sis Olivia. Malapit lang ang work ko. Mr. Lee, thank you. Ay, medyo malayo-layo pang bahay ko, Sis Olivia. Work lang ito. That's my vacation house, you see now. Yeah, this is a Look house, vacation house. He used to go there every weekend. I tried to visit him, but he wasn't open the door for me. He said he's not receiving a person like me. Very talkative. FW Mix Vlog, Erigi, thank you. Sis Olivia, did you visit also the, how do you call it? Wellness place din, nagpasya din kami galing kami Pinas. And did you visit then, Sis Olivia, yung katapat din nitong castle, yung military base din. Ano siya, tawag dito, ginawang museum. Maganda, nasa ilalim lang ng bundok. Yung hindi siya halatang building siya, pero actually sa loob. May hospital, may hospital, may restaurant, may mga rooms doon, may operating room kapag may mga nasusugatan na soldier, gano'n. So, balik na ako sa direction na yan. Ayaw ko nang lumayo kasi ayaw kong ma-expose sa lamig dahil mahirap magkasakit ang nanay, walang mag-alaga sa mga anak. Joke na. You learn Tagalog, Look. I'm not worried with my battery now when I'm live because I bought how do you call this, power bank. So my power bank is full. I went to other direction. Thank you for the 16 people in the house. Thanks sa time ninyo. Mas maganda pa mag-live kasi pag gumawa kasi ako ng video, ang hirap mag-edit unless gagawa na lang ako ng mga highlight. Och host is not forget her power bank. Sis Dijen, thank you. So maraming tourist ngayon, isang bus dumating. Ano kayang lahi ng mga ito? Mukhang mga estudyante. Parang grupo ng mga estudyante ito. They come from a school. Yeah, they're young. So it's a school tour. Yeah, mga estudyante ito. Nag-tour sila. So, kuha tayo ng highlight.